No. Oh, darn. Unfortunately, the DS does not work. So we're going to go in the diagnostic steps of trying to figure out what happened, what went wrong, and why it is not working. But first, here are some highlights of when I tried to strip down the DS and rebuild it. Now, I am, shall we say, the Jack Benny of repair channels. Some of you may get that reference, and most of you may not. But let's put it this way. I'm so cheap, I can't even pay attention. Now, what do we do when we are desperate and cheap? We improvise. Is a Game Boy Advanced SP charger. And I just so happen to have a Game Boy Advanced SP with a fairly decent battery. So what are we going to do? We're going to pop that out. Now, normally, these will not fit in here because of these two pegs. So, could you guess what we're going to do? Plus on the left, negative on the right. And it fits. Well, apparently online, people are saying this is a thing you can do. Green light. And it is working. Yep, alright, cool. Now we have fixed our issue. Now here's the deal. A case which is broken. No, never mind. That's actually designed that way. Okay. Can you guess the amount that this entire case cost? $3.66 shipped. Now, I also did something that is very unexpected of me, I know. I actually spent money on a decent screwdriver bit set from iFixit. Now, mind you, this kit was on sale for about 16 bucks. After shipping and fees on Amazon, it was about $18, which to me is a bit expensive. But hopefully this was a good investment, and I'll have to see how it holds up after all these repair attempts. Why is my screen all of a sudden blurry? There we go. Oh, that's even worse. Let's try that. Why are you doing that? There we go. That'll work, right? Okay, let me retry this. We gotta be careful. We do not want to damage this ribbon cable because my poor cheap heart could not take it. All right. Oh, hello. I didn't expect that to happen. Oh, hello. Dang. Oh, great. All right. All right. Can we just... Oh, okay. We did it. Very strange. Was that normal? Nintendo, why did you do this? Oh, am I an idiot? Okay, I'm not an idiot, but I might be an idiot. I want to forget the Wi-Fi antenna. Not that it would be useful, but we've got standards here. Victory! All right, we're making some... Oh, a little bit of Game Boy chiropractic-ness over here. Let's go. All right, well, we're halfway there. Living on a prayer. Which one of you dudes was the screen thing? I have a memory of a goldfish. It's screwed in fine. I think we're okay. Shouldn't have put this plate together because we need to put the tabs in here and in here. So we're gonna have to take this apart. Let's go and see this work. Insert this plug in here and see if we can run onto these. There we go. All right, just. Come on, we'll be ready to go. There we go. Try to use the picks. Let's go ahead and turn our way over. Release these 13 clips. They're not really going to come out. Just right off this plugger. Be careful with the damn thing. Dang, it's really tough to go. All right. Let's go ahead and remove this ribbon cable. That's all. Now we'll just put that in and see if we can do this here. Dang, this is a lot of pressure. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Whew. Jeez, this is... All right, this is ridiculous. Can we come out from this side? Is this side better to try to pry open? This is ridiculous. I'm such an idiot. I forgot the screws. Oh, man, pray for me. Okay, did I mention that I don't know what I'm doing? Okay, well, let's take the screws out. Maybe we'll just edit this. Hey, guys, I found out what the problem is. We need to take these screws off first, and then we need to put the axles in. Oh my gosh. It's not coming apart. I don't understand why it's not coming apart. This Chinese brand shows impossible to take apart. Let's see how easy it is now. Such an idiot. Okay. That was easy. One chance, right? One shot. Okay, this one is stuck for now. Let's see if we can get it unstuck. Ouch. Okay, I almost had a freak out there. Almost lost my cool. Ah, yes, we got it. Is that it? I think that might be it. Sure. Come on now, this isn't rocket surgery. Just get in there. I hate these hinges with a passion. Not as bad as the harpsichord, though. You know what I think? I think I'm not doing this ever again. God really. I hate this. You'd think it would be easy, man. I swear, YouTubers make it look so easy. But it's not. It's not easy. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm the problem. I think I did it. I think that's it. I think I got it. I hope. Come on now, just glide on in there. Why are you being such a pain in the neck here? Just get in there. Come on. It's like not... I think they're supposed to make a click, so I think I've done something wrong. Yeah, that's... I'm calling it good. It doesn't click. We'll just add that in post. There we go. Fixed it. All right, well... I don't know why you guys watch me. It's not for the competent repair skills, I can tell you that right now. Yeah, it goes right about here. Yep. Perfectly lined up. So I am not 100% sure which screw was which. It doesn't matter if they're longer or shorter. It just helps it stick down. You know, that ain't it. I had too much resistance on that one. Let's try this one. It felt bad, but we're gonna ignore that. Okay, do we have screws poking through? I didn't expect that. I was not being serious. Okay, yeah, we have screws poking through. All right, well, for future reference, these are too long for that. Now we know what not to do. Ow. Well, I've injured my thumb now. Great. All right, was this better? I gotta click for a second. Okay, well, that's a lost cause. There we go. So, could you imagine if we get this done and it doesn't work? And we were like, oh yeah, well, I think I know how to fix it. We just gotta take this whole entire thing apart. No, thank you. It's gonna be a miracle if this thing works when we're done. Oh, yes. Crud, we went the wrong way. Oh yeah, I gotta get this little doodad in there. That should be okay. It shouldn't be too difficult. I could probably just snip this stupid thing off. It would have killed their stores anyways, but that's okay. What the heck is this? I'm wondering if that was not the right screw then. We're making progress. We've destroyed the case and the Wi-Fi antenna. I don't want to rip these, but they're not coming out. Good enough for me. Nothing. Well, I think we've majorly messed this up. All right, well, let's just try a different bottom screen and just rule that out 1000%. Possible we just shorted something out at some point, possibly. I don't think it's because of the Wi-Fi antenna, because I looked it up and people were saying that it doesn't need it. We'll rule that out if this doesn't work, just as a last ditch effort. Oh no. No. Okay, wait a minute. We might be able to salvage this. How does this thing get attached? Did I screw it up? How does this thing get back on there? All right, you know what? We're going to grab the other board and be extremely careful with it. And we will leave that for future repairman. Should I call myself repairman? Should I call myself Adam? I don't know. I always cringe a little bit when I refer to myself by my channel name. Repairman over here. Future repairman. Should have just named myself something else. Adam tries to fix or something. I don't know. Get out of there. There we go. All right, we shall take the board and maneuver it out. I think this is the good, possibly working screen. Quite frankly, I have lost track of all sense of proportions and reality. If this doesn't work, we'll just grab the screen just to rule that out. I know I could just like review the footage, but you know, why be easy and logical? No Vulcans here. Who can say where the rain goes? Where the time goes. I just wanna be part of your symphony. We've got this all the way inserted, and we can't push it in anymore because it will not go further. So then we take this. If we start maneuvering it in, like so, well, maybe it doesn't move the cable. Maybe that's just nothing. Okay. Now this other one goes in. There we go, question mark. Okay, now we need to put this cable in very carefully, but also very securely. I just want to be part of your symphony. Now we have to be insanely quickly, carefully push this there, and then we can come out this like this, I think. I don't know why this never looks right. Probably isn't. Okay. Now, there we go. Ignore that. All right. I don't know why that doesn't look right, but you know, I think it is right. All right. Probably should put the case back on, but I'm also kind of concerned about pinching this now. Right. Where'd the rest of the screws go? I think this is one of them because I thought the gold one went into the one, but doesn't. So, and that goes in there. Now we're still missing one. I don't know where it went. Oh, here it is. I found it. All right, and put that in, and then there. And then let's go ahead and. Now, you know what? We're not going to do that. That doesn't make sense. We're just going to. Can we get this on here and then don't want to pinch that thing. That does not look right. Why doesn't that look right? I don't get that. Well, that's just going to put pressure on there and it's going to pinch that cable, right? Well, let's just try this like this. All right, let's try this one more time with feeling. And do we have any power at all? I don't think we do. Nah, something's messed up here. Well, I don't get what's happening. I don't think it's the top screen because we just tried that one out. Let me get the bottom screen. Maybe I was confused, did the wrong one. No, because this one's cleaner. I am not sure what the problem is. Did we destroy one of the components twice? Are we missing something? Is it because the Wi-Fi antenna is missing? Supposedly, it's okay if it's missing, but maybe, just maybe, somebody's lied to us. So let's just try this out. It'd be funny if it was. I read online that you don't necessarily need the Wi-Fi module and it will boot up, but we will rule everything out first. There we go. And then let's go ahead and pop this on just to make sure. That'd be funny if that was the issue. All right, now grab our battery, hold it in place haphazardly. Okay. So we got the disc, and then this is like showing up there now. Okay, so then it is the top screen. We must have pinched it or something. You know what? I feel so stupid right now. So now let me check something, and we'll just for our own benefits. Let me remove this Wi-Fi antenna, and put this off to the side. And let's just confirm that it will run without that antenna. Oh, okay. So it does work without the Wi-Fi antenna. All right, so that is the problem. So we must have, I bet that it got pinched somehow when we, what was that? It was the, was it that when we put the screws in that were too long, or was it when we put this retaining clip thing on? Go ahead and unscrew this board here, and now we got to rebuild this thing. This video, and these DSs are so difficult to work with. Everybody makes these things look so easy on YouTube, though. All right. I don't see any physical damage. I don't understand what the problem is. Whew, this is difficult. Okay, so we got to get our new good working screen from the old DS. Jeez. That almost flew into my mouth. Ah. Oh, there we go. This is rather unsettling. Okay. Way does this go in? Does it go in this way? I think it goes in this way. Ooh, don't do that. Wait, no. It goes the other way. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Someone send help. All right. Now, what I don't understand is I tried looking up a few YouTube videos, but all of them just like started it in the hole and then pulled it out easily. So they really didn't show exactly how to feed this into this hole here, but I don't think this hole is big enough, so I think you have to angle it, I think. Okay, so I think this goes here. Oh, it fit. Okay. Oh, good heavens. We did it. Shame on you, Nintendo. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm the problem. Okay, now we gotta figure out how to get this. Yay. Okay. All right. We did it. We did it. So now we gotta figure out where our cap went. Okay, make sure we're not getting... We do not want to break this cable. I like the magnetic magnetization of the screwdriver. It's pretty nice. Beautiful shot of my hand. Excellent cinematography. All right, there we go. Click. All right, now what we need to do is fit up the buttons. And I hope that this was the speaker from the other Game Boy. Okay, are we making progress? Does this look like progress to you guys? I think it might be. All right, so we got our motherboard here, and we have to put our game thingy in here. And this goes on this way here, I think. That makes sense. Dang, this is gonna be a little bit difficult. Or it's gonna be super easy, barely an inconvenience. And look at that, we've got Wi-Fi again. That'll work. I think that's good. I hope that's good. I was wondering though if it's I don't know if it's the screen that was having the issue the first time or if it was some sort of broken cable or something. This is already down, so we gotta put this back up. What is happening with the top screen? How did we do this? There's nothing. Why is there nothing? There is nothing. Why is it's just audio? What the heck did I do? How did this even happen? There's like no, there's just audio and there's no, is it because the screen needs to be adjusted? I know there's potentiometers, but isn't this the screen that went with the board? It was flickering before we put a game in. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess there we have it. I mean, you know, we can play DS games with one screen. We can't even play Game Boy Advance games on the screen that is working. Well, finish. I'm losing it. Oh man, this is stupid. I kid you not, I've been working on this for like a week. I still do not want to give up on this. There must be something we can do to fix this in this video. We shall soon see. Yes. So we're gonna take our old screen, and we'll see if that's the first thing we're gonna do. We won't worry about making it pretty because we will have to. This is the top screen. This is the bottom screen. There's no digitizer, so we don't have to worry about cleaning it yet. We'll get it cleaned off once and if it works. Now we have to feed everything back in. And we gotta be careful of our ribbon cable here. And then this goes like back here somewhere, and then we're good to go, I think. So now let's go ahead and connect our cables here. We're gonna keep on going. Get it done, on delay. Get it done, get it done, on delay. Okay, hopefully that is good. I mean, this should, yeah, never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. I was gonna say something profound, I'm sure, but change my mind. Because one of these, I don't know which one is the backlight and which one is the digitizer. Now, if we have no flickering on this screen once this is all done, and it's probably possible that this one screen that I had in there was to a different motherboard, which is definitely possible. So I tried using different parts from different consoles in case I wasn't making that too clear. I hate these things because they're so fiddly. All right. Is that good? Does that look good to you guys? Is that a little off center? Is that my insanity peeking through perhaps? No, I don't know. All right, let's try that again. Let me make sure we're getting this lined up 100%. My kingdom for a Lego style connector. Okay, we're gonna just call that good. Now we've got to connect this one. Make sure that that flap is up, and then we got to push this one in. They don't give you a lot of room to do this either. Wonder how it was back in the day for Nintendo repairs, if they were annoyed at this when they had to refurbish their own consoles. Come on now. Get it done, get it done on delay. You have to be really careful because if it's a millimeter out, it might cause an issue. What the heck is a kilometer? All right, there. Now, can we assume that that's in there correct? We'll check it. If we've got a different result, then we know that, all right, the top screen is probably a connection issue. I wish these things were a little bit easier to deal with. Right. And that is set in there. Now we got to feed this cable a little bit around here so we don't break it again. There we go. Now, in this time, what we're going to do, we are not putting all the screws in. We're going to put like one screw in, maybe two. We're also going to not put in our triggers because we don't need those in right now. Got a screw there, and we'll put a screw at the top too, just for extra security. Now we can put our case back on. Okay, now let's go ahead and just put one or two screws of these little dumb tri-wing screws in, and then we will have a little bit of extra security. Let's go ahead and put one at the bottom and one at the top, and then we should be good to go. And we'll put the battery in and we'll test. One out over here, fine. Okay, cool. Now we gotta put our... Where's our battery at? Get it done, get it done on the lane. Okay, so you did notice this was a Game Boy SP Advanced battery. Put this in here. We'll just screw that. That should be enough to just put it on here. We don't really need to screw that down, I don't think. All right, moment of truth. Aha! Bottom. Ha 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 ha! We've done it. It was just a loose connection, right? Okay, so we have determined it was idiocracy on my part, and that is why this was not working. So now let's go ahead and take it apart, put all the batteries in, and I will go ahead and make this into one video. Hopefully it is not super long. I don't know if that would be appealing or not. I know that this channel is incredibly small, but with the best opportunity to be able to latch people into my little ecosystem here. And I don't know if a really long video would attract people or not. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer long videos with the process, or do you prefer a quick short video? Probably shouldn't care that much about the algorithm, but I do. More importantly, I care about you guys and what you guys like. All right, so now we can put all of our screws in and put our, triggers on. And then we are good to go, I believe. And we gotta make sure that it plays games though, because it wasn't playing the original games. So we will soon find out. Of course, I stole a screen. Gotta rebuild another DS at some point. Okay, and now for the triggers. See how I can edit this video. I don't know how long I'll make it. If I'll make it super long or super short, or not super short. I don't think super short makes sense, but this would be the right, which would be the left. And then this kind of just scoots down in there. We got to put this little peg in this hole here. And we got to get this spring underneath. And why isn't that fitting in there? There we go. And then that springs back and forth. It just kind of sits down in there underneath there. And now we've got to get our second trigger and put this in. We just kind of, just kind of maneuver it down first. So the spring goes down in there. Are these directional? They the same width on the top and bottom? I think they are. We'll try it that way. Come on now. Oh, actually, it would be helpful if I was over far enough. There we go. Now, are we missing anything? Is the power button on right? Yep. X, Y, and A, and B, and all that junk is good. The screen is not great, but that's okay. As long as it works. Okay, now, so we got all of our screws in. Now we got to put our back on and then put all those screws in. There we go. Have no idea where this screw goes or where this screw goes. They're optional, apparently. They always over-engineer these things anyways. The question is, are we still operational? Got our game that we know works, and I think this one works too. So let's go ahead and give her a shot, make sure she works, and then we'll end out the video. We'll go ahead and put these in, because I think you need to restart the DS both, anytime you want to put a new game in. Okay. Good. Repairman. Sure, why not? 'Tis the year of our Lord. 2024, and I think it is October. I think it's the 8th or the 9th. I think it's the 7th. I can't remember. It's the 7th. Hey, you got it right. All right, cool. Oh, great. It is currently 7:07 p.m. What? Month and day. What did I put in the first time? Oh, hang on, I gotta go back now. What did I put in this first time? red, month and day. So why is it asking me to do it twice? Okay. I guess just to confirm. 7. Oh, wait, month. Yeah, 10 to 7. Yeah, all right. I don't know. All right. Let's see, is this going to function 100% now? We've got Mario and Sonic at the Winter Olympics. It's got its thing. It is working. The speakers are working, shockingly. I think I gotta turn it off and on to get to the first menu. There's a menu button. Maybe there was a quit option. I don't know. Now, will this work? Huh. Okay. I always thought they were on the bottom screen. Am I crazy? Because can't you make these into GBA things? Is this just Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? I always thought they were on the bottom screen when you put a DS or a Game Boy Advance game in. That explains why it wasn't working. Now we have one more thing to deal with, and then we can finish this video up. And the last thing to deal with is these blemishes. We're going to do an expert style restoration really quickly. 3, 2, 1. Wha-bam! Fixed. Gives it a little bit of personality. Kind of makes it look a little freaky, but hey, that's okay. And also, it does not close all the way now, so. The eyes are off center too, but that's okay. Shh. All right, so we've got that done. We've got everything done that we needed to. We have a fully working Game Boy, and we are good to go. Or rather, a fully working DS. These are glued in, so I can't move them. So we are stuck with the cockeyed eyes. There we go. Perfect. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 266 subscribers. I really appreciate all the subscribers, all the likes, all the views, and all the comments. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. Oh, and yeah, just as a quick point of interest, the iFixit toolkit is actually pretty good, so I think it's well worth the money. And obviously, I'm not being sponsored or was given this. I just think that it's a pretty good little kit. Not bad. Okay, good night, God bless you. Bye.